Welcome to Shiksha Maths Academy. Definite integration, SAQs, extra continuation, fourth one. Consider this is question is integral 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. Okay, first consider this is our question is equation 1. Next, so that is equal to integral 0 to pi. In this x place you have to substitute pi minus x, upper limit plus lower limit minus x. Okay, sin of pi minus x by 1 plus sin of pi minus x. Formula is integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x ds of dx. According to this formula, in this x place you have to write pi minus x. Okay, that is equal to integral 0 to pi minus x, right as it is, sin of 180 minus theta. Sin of 180 minus theta, which called rent 180 minus theta, 90 plus theta. Here 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta in this second quadrant, sign is positive. Okay, so sin of 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So sin of 180 minus x is equal to sin x by 1 plus sin x. Integral 0 to pi, again multiplication with sin x, pi into sin x, pi sin x, again minus x into sin x minus x sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. That is equal to, again separating with denominator, pi sin x by 1 plus sin x minus integral of 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. See here, this total part, this total integral 0 to pi sin x, x sin x by 1 plus sin x is our question. So our question is consideration I. So in this place I am substituting I. So integral 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus sin x minus I. Okay, this minuses and this side, I plus I is equal to integral 0 to pi I am writing here, sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. Okay, I plus I, 2i is equal to constant pi into integral 0 to pi. Here solving here rationalizing sin x by, rationalizing with denominator, 1 plus sin x into rationalizing with denominator, 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x dx. That is equal to pi into integral 0 to pi, again multiplication, sin x into 1 minus sin x by, is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So 1 minus sin square x dx. That is equal to pi into integral 0 to pi. See here, sin x into 1 sin x into sin minus sin square x by 1 minus sin square x from identity, cos square x dx. Again separating with the denominator, integral 0 to pi sin x by cos square x dx minus integral 0 to pi sin square x by cos square x dx. That is equal to pi into integral 0 to pi sin x by cos x. So this can be written as sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x minus dx minus integral 0 to pi. See here, sin square x by cos square x can be written as tan square x dx. tan square x dx, that is equal to integral 0 to pi sin x by integral sin x and sin x by cos x can be written as tan x into 1 by cos x means secant x dx minus this is 0 to pi tan square x dx, that is equal to integral 0 to pi tan x into secant x formula minus here directly this can be written as integral 0 to pi tan square x means secant square x minus 1, this can be written as, okay, that is equal to pi into secant x, this one write as it is secant x 0 to pi, so here secant square x tan x 0 to pi minus into minus plus integral 1 dx and x pi. Here 2y is equal to pi into secant upper limit minus lower limit secant pi minus secant 0 minus of tan pi minus tan 0 plus pi minus 0, that is equal to pi into secant pi, like cos reciprocal of cos, so cos 180 minus 1 next to secant 0 and again cos 0 minus 1 minus tan 180 0 tan 0 0 plus pi, so minus 2 plus pi, so minus 2 pi plus pi square 2I is equal to 2 itself తీసుకొచ్చేసింది minus 2 pi by 2 plus pi square by 2, pi is equal to 2 gets cancelled, write in order pi square by 2 minus pi, this is the answer, pi square by 2 minus pi. See here, first integral 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus sin x dx, this is our question, so consider this is equation 1. So in this x place, according to this formula, integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. In this substitution, in this x place, or to substitute pi minus x into sin x by 1 plus sin of pi minus x into dx. Again pi minus x write as it is. This sin of 180 minus theta. Sin of 180 minus theta is second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. So sin of 180 minus theta is equal to sin x. In denominator also 1 plus sin x. Again multiplication with sin x. Pi into sin x, pi sin x minus x into sin x minus x sin x by 1 plus sin x. Okay. Again separating with denominator 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x. So this total part is I, our question. In this place I am substituting I. Minus I send this side, I plus I 2I. So that is equal to pi is constant right here. So 0 to pi. Integral 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus sin x ds. Now we have to solve this part. 2y is equal to pi into, here I am rationalizing with denominator 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x. Okay. Again multiplying with sin x into 1 sin x into sin square x. Again separating the denominator and applying the limits. Secant pi means minus 1, secant 0, 0 tan pi 0, tan 0 0, pi write as it is. This is simplification. Our answer is pi square by 2 minus pi. Okay, it's very important. If you like this video, and like and share and subscribe.